I speak in the tongues of men and of angels, but I do not have love. I am only a resounding gong or a clanging cymbal. If I have the gift of prophecy and can fathom all mysteries and all knowledge, and if I have faith that can move mountains but do not have love, I am nothing. If I give all I possess to the poor and surrender my body to hardships but do not have love, I gain nothing. Love is everything. Let us all unite and show love and compassion to the animals. What's up, everyone? Basically, we've had two amazing protests, where one in my city and then the other one we had it in Stockholm 2 days ago. The one in my city, we were protesting basically against the opening of a new bar here in, or a new restaurant, basically a restaurant and bar here in my city, and the bar was basically called Slaughter and Bar, basically, and they had a slogan that was called "Meat is Love" or "Slaughter is Love." So we were there with a couple of Swedish activists from Stockholm, and then some activists from here. Swedish activists are amazing, and some Swedish activists from here, Uppsala. So we were there together, and basically showing them our thoughts and ideas, and spreading some information about veganism and about animal rights, and yeah, doing what we do, literally. We're out here basically protesting the opening of this restaurant. They had a slogan that doesn't go together with anything we believe in, basically. The slogan was basically that meat is love, or slaughter is love, is what they had. So we decided to come out here and basically show what we think, and spread some information about veganism and about the Animal Rights Alliance here in Sweden. A lot of us actually showed up.
Living in misery, won't you do something about it? Please do something about it. You say I'm different, so you treat me lesser than, but you are so wrong about me. Yes, you are so wrong about me, because I'm like you. Inside my body, let me be free. Freedom from your tyranny, it's all I've ever wanted. It's all I've ever wanted.
Amazing activists, incredible. They must say. We got some more amazing guys over here. and then we had another protest in Stockholm. We were basically protesting against the use of fur. So we were there at a shop called Garof, who were basically selling real fur, but stating on their website that they're selling fake fur. So we were there, showing that we disapprove of the use of fur, and it was amazing. A lot of people showed up. Actually, a lot of people are always showing up, which is it's basically amazing. And so we were there for a couple of hours and spreading information about animal rights and about veganism, and literally doing what we do. So connect with some activists and get into the vegan groups, and become, if you're vegan yourself, then definitely become an activist and join the movement to work for animal rights, and be a part of this growing movement, and basically start connecting with other activists and get into the movement. We're standing here demonstrating against the use of fur. Basically, they're using real fur here in this shop.
Go on, be brave. Go out there and make history, and bring justice to my life, love. Bring justice to the lives lost. Because every day they will try to convince you that humane murder is justified. But believe me, I don't want to die. But I'm at your mercy, and you are the difference. Be the voices of the silenced, and the silence stop the